Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is Smashburger Sliders. It's that game day season, so today we're making a game day eat. Every time I get together with my buddies, my friends, my family, and we watch a game together, it's always everyone brings something, potluck style. So a slider's a great option, even though we're probably gonna go a little overboard with this one. But you wanna make sure that everyone can eat everything, so we're making them just a little bit smaller today. These are Creekstone Farms Brisket Blend Burger Pucks. Each one is 4 ounces, quarter pound. We're making sliders, so we cut each of them in half. So now we've got 8 little patties. We're gonna put a little seasoning on them. I'm not gonna smash them yet. We're gonna leave them in the balls while we put some seasoning on them. We've got the Blanco from Meat Church. This is a super straightforward, all-purpose seasoning. I mean, salt and pepper, it's got a little bit of sugar in it, and then some other stuff. But it's great on burgers all the time. It's great on steaks. You can pick this up at atbbq.com. Today we're cooking on the Yoder Smokers YS640S pellet grill, running hickory pellets at 450 degrees. Now I've got this set up with the griddle so we can get that right pure smash on it. Let me show you the setup. No diffuser in here, so it's all direct. We've got the griddle set up right over the fire, and then on the right side we have the grill grate so that we can steam some buns. I'm gonna throw down some butter. Little butter burger situation here. Now we're gonna go season side down, just a little bit of a press, and then add some really thin sliced onions on the top. A little parchment over the top, and then give it a press. Now let's season the onion side. So the onions, while they're raw right now, when we flip them, they're gonna get a nice little caramelization. So just a little bit of a press, just enough to get some onions on top, and if they overflow on the sides, no worries. With these burgers being so thin, the whole goal is to get them seared. So I'm not going to close the lid because we want to get a nice sear on both sides. A really nice browning there, great sear on this side. Now we flip them over and let those onions caramelize. And we're going to top them with some cheese to melt and hold it all together. Good old American cheese. Now the great thing about this slider shape is that we're gonna get, you can see back here, this one's already got a great crust on it while it's getting melty. Slider buns in a foil pan now. We're just gonna steam these for just a couple of minutes with a wet paper towel, just to soften them up. About 3 minutes, nice and pillowy soft. Let's go build these. Got some Dijon right here. It's a really nice creamy Dijon sauce. I'm a savory boy, so I like savory things. Just spread that out just a little bit, then we're gonna pop a pickle on top. These are Dad's spicy garlic pickles. One of my favorite pickles in the world. Just one-shotters because it's a slider. Check out the texture on this thing. And you got the cheese skirt right there, but the onions are softened. I was tempted to double up the patties. But if we're talking party food, better keep it in control. Top bun and it's done. See how we did? Can't complain. It's got tons of texture. cheese is nice and creamy. The onions are cooked. That Dijon definitely gives something. Very creamy Dijon. And then that bit of sour that you get from the pickle. Just find yourself a solid bun, one that you believe in. You want to use Hawaiian rolls, do that. These are brioche buns, but whatever. Do whatever's in your heart. Make a good cheeseburger. Make your friends and your family happy. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out all the products featured in today's video at atbbq.com. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.